Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. At the end of this week, traders will keep an eye on the following macroeconomic statistics. On Friday, one key report will be released in the UK. The United Kingdom will unveil the industrial production data for October. Economists anticipate that production remained flat on a monthly basis and 3.5% in annual terms. Let us remind that in September, the UK's industrial production was surprisingly strong due to a bounce in the manufacturing industry. Production rose by 0.7%, topping expectations for a 0.3% rise. That was driven by 0.7% hike in manufacturing output. Looking ahead, however, the recovery in manufacturing is likely to weaken in response to the recent surge in oil prices. In addition, output in the energy supply sector likely plunged month over month in October due to unseasonably warm weather. On Friday, the United States will reveal its non-farm payrolls data for November. Analysts forecast a gain of 200,000 new jobs in the reporting period. At the same time, the unemployment rate is expected to remain at 4.1%. In October, the U.S. jobless rate fell to 4.1%, its lowest level in nearly 17 years. At the same time, job creation resumed climbing, albeit at a slower rate than expected, after two late summer hurricanes hit the U.S. economy. Employed added 261,000 net new positions, although economists had forecast a rebound of 300,000 new jobs. The results generally showed U.S. labor markets in good health, easily bouncing back from the storms that idled the United States energy hub in southeast Texas and forced millions of Floridians to flee their homes. Nevertheless, average monthly job creation has stood at 169,000 so far this year, significantly below the 192,000 monthly average recorded through October of last year. The falling unemployment rate is likely to spark further debate among Federal Reserve policymakers, who appear set to raise the benchmark U.S. interest rate this month despite low inflation. On Saturday, China will release inflation data for November. Analysts expect another increase of 1.8%. October consumer inflation in China unexpectedly picked up as pork price declines eased and fuel costs rose at a quicker pace, while the recent run of acceleration for producer price growth appeared to lose some of its momentum. The consumer price index advanced by 1.9% in October, beating forecast for 1.8%. That reading was the highest since January. However, the 14th straight month of expansion for producer prices was tempered. The price index failed to pick up from September's level of 6.9%, although it still beat expectations for producer prices to slow growth to 6.6%. In addition to these events, on Thursday, Australia will release data on trade balance. Canada is to report on building permits and publish the IVPMI. The United States will issue its weekly report on jobless claims. ECB President Mario Draghi will speak in Frankfurt. Friday, Japan is to report on third-quarter economic growth. China is expected to publish trade balance data, and the United States will close the week with the preliminary data on consumer sentiment. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.